Sarah is a young woman. She is 20 years old. Sarah loves the sea very much. She loves the beach too. Every summer, Sarah goes to a small town. The town is next to the sea. Its name is Blue Beach. Blue Beach is a very beautiful place. It has long, golden sand and clear, blue water. One sunny morning, Sarah wakes up early. The sun shines brightly into her room. The air is warm. Sarah feels very happy. She gets out of bed. First, she goes to the kitchen. She makes a simple breakfast. She eats some bread with butter and a sweet jam. She drinks a big glass of orange juice. The juice is cold and fresh. After breakfast, Sarah gets ready. She puts on her favorite swimsuit. It is blue, like the sea. She takes a big, soft towel. She also puts a good book in her bag. The book has a picture of an old castle on it. Then, she adds a big bottle of water. It is important to drink water in the sun. She checks her bag. Towel. Book. Water. Yes. She is ready to go to the beach. Sarah leaves her small house. She walks on a small road. Many green trees are on the side of the road. Beautiful flowers of many colors grow there too. Sarah hears birds singing in the trees. She smiles. The smell of the sea gets stronger as she walks. It is a fresh, salty smell. She sees a small dog running in a garden. The dog wags its tail. After 10 minutes, Sarah arrives at the beach. The beach is long and wide. It is not very crowded yet, which is good. Sarah loves quiet mornings. She looks for a good place to sit. She walks past a few families. Some children are already building sandcastles. Their laughter fills the air. Sarah finds a perfect spot. It is near a big rock, but far from many people. She spreads her big towel on the warm, golden sand. She takes off her sandals. She puts her feet into the sand. The sand feels very soft and warm under her feet. She takes a deep breath. Ah, this is perfect, she thinks. First, Sarah just sits. She looks at the big, blue sea. The water is very clear today. She can see small fish swimming near the shore. The waves are small and gentle. They come slowly to the beach. They make a soft sound, shoo. Sarah hears the seagulls flying high in the sky. They make their caw-caw sound. All these sounds are very relaxing. Sarah closes her eyes for a moment. She feels the warm sun on her face. She feels happy and peaceful. After a little rest, Sarah decides to swim. She stands up slowly. She walks towards the water. The water touches her feet. It is a little cold at first. Oh, she says. But then, as she walks deeper, the water feels very nice and refreshing. Sarah starts to swim. She swims slowly, enjoying the cool water. She moves her arms and legs. She feels light, like a fish in the water. She swims for a long time. She feels the sun on her back. When she is tired of swimming, Sarah comes out of the water. She takes her towel and dries herself. The sun helps to dry her skin too. She sits back on her towel. Now, she wants to read her book. She opens the book. The story is about a brave knight and a hidden treasure on a mysterious island. It is very interesting. She reads many pages. After about 2 hours of reading, Sarah starts to feel hungry again. She looks at her watch. It is noon. Time for lunch. She takes out a sandwich from her bag. It is a cheese and tomato sandwich. It tastes very good. She drinks some water from her bottle. While she eats, she watches the children still playing. Now, some teenagers are playing volleyball near the water. The beach is a little bit busier now. Suddenly, Sarah sees two people walking towards her. They are her friends. It is Anna and Tom. They also like to come to Blue Beach. Sarah smiles and waves her hand. "Hi, Sarah." Anna says. "Hi, Anna." "Hi, Tom. Come here." Sarah says. They sit down next to Sarah. They talk and laugh. They talk about the weather, about their day, and about Sarah's book. "What are you reading?" Tom asks. Sarah tells them about the brave knight. They also plan to go for ice cream later. The afternoon passes quickly. Sarah and her friends swim again. They walk along the beach and collect small, colorful shells. Sarah finds a beautiful pink and white shell. It is perfect. She decides to keep it. It will be a nice memory of this day. They laugh a lot. As the sun begins to go down, the sky changes colors. It turns orange, then pink, then deep purple. The sea also looks different now. It is darker, but very beautiful. Sarah knows it is time to go home. She says goodbye to the sea. "See you tomorrow," she whispers. She puts her towel, her book, and her new shell into her bag. She puts her sandals back on. Sarah walks home with Anna and Tom. They are still talking and laughing. They say goodbye when they reach their houses. Sarah arrives at her small house. She feels tired now, but her heart is full of happiness. She takes a shower. She has dinner with her family. She tells them about her wonderful day at Blue Beach. Later, Sarah goes to her bed. She closes her eyes. She can still hear the sound of the waves. She can still feel the warm sand. She knows that tomorrow, she will go back to Blue Beach. It is her favorite place in the world.